What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today I'm coming at y'all with another HatClub unboxing. I did already film this video once. It didn't turn out right, so I had to scrap it, but everything happens for a reason, because now I actually was like, you know what, I have to film the video over, so why not go grab some kicks? I can show y'all some hats and some sneakers all at one time. Captain Planet Angels. Really like the front logo on this one, the teal outline. It has like a darker green right inside that outline. The wings look really nice. The red A 50th anniversary patch on this one. There's like some pink in there that looks really nice, really sets it off. I love that patch. Batting man on the back, teal, red, white, red button on top, teal bottom. Never thought that I would be picking up a hat with a teal bottom, but I really like this collection. I think they did a really good job. Let me know down below in the comment section who was familiar with Captain Planet before the release of this collection. It's definitely something that I had to look up. The only Captain Planet I knew was Don Cheadle. Obviously I knew that he was parodying something, but I had never seen Captain Planet, the comic book or the TV show, before looking it up to see where they got the inspiration for this. Very interesting place to get inspiration. Second hat that I picked up from the Captain Planet collection is the Met. I really like the layering that they do with the Met. You're able to get in more colors with the Mets logo versus the Yankees logo. And I like this one. You have the teal up front, the white and the silver hanging out in the background. The really bright red on these may seem a little bit loud, but it's perfect for the summertime. And once you find your matching kicks, you're going to be set to go. Wait till you see what I'm going to pull out for these. The 2015 World Series patch. It's got a little bit of yellow in there and some more silver. Good looking patch. Same batting man as the other hat. Red, white, teal, red button, teal bottom, white guts. Stay tuned. Make sure you keep watching. I got something for y'all who are worried about their hats with the white guts getting dirty. These two, I went ahead and I pulled out something and I think people have already forgotten about. It was a really hyped up 2020 release, but I think people forgot about them already, which is normal because releases happen, you know, every day now. But I pulled out the Tokyos, the silver joints, and this is gonna go crazy with the silver detailing in these hats, especially the Mets with that silver on the front logo, silver in the patch. This is a really good match, and it works with the Angels too. It really lets those colors pop and be vibrant. Don't try to do too matchy. You might end up clashing. Let the hat and the sneakers do their thing. I did pick up a Yankees recently. Let me show y'all why I'm excited about this one. Boom, icy bottom. So I have a navy Yankees pink bottom, but I didn't have an icy bottom until now. Glad to have this one adding it to the collection. I did go ahead and purchase duffel bags, so the duffel bags are on the way. Now it's not a 99 World Series, but that's okay. This is the 2000 All-Star Game patch. It's a nice patch, it's clean. Batting man on the back, red, navy, and white. Blue button to match. Icy bottom with the black guts. I had to pull out something special, so I went ahead and pulled out one of my favorite Air Maxes, the Air Max 1 Para. So take a look at that. There's a lot of colors in here. Pink, purple, blues, 2 different shades of gray. A lot of colors going on. But it's a perfect match if you really look at it. Navy, with the icy bottom. You can also wear these with the pink bottom if I'm being honest, but I haven't done that combo yet. This next one is the Dodgers, and I have a few that look like this. The royal blue with the white. I have a green bottom and a gray bottom, but I don't have the pink bottom. So the pink bottom, I had to get this one. World Series 2020 patch on the side. Good looking patch. White button on the top. Pink bottom. White guts. Told you to hold on. I had something for the people who are worried about their hats getting dirty. These are the disposable sweatband liners from Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below in the description. I have not tried these yet, but it looks like it'll be a good fit. So let me show y'all right quick if y'all can see this on camera. You put the disposable liner right there, and you can see it just kind of sticks right there. You don't have to worry about your hats getting dirty too quickly. It's summertime. You know, take precaution. I'll link them down below in the description. So these are my obsidian ones. I wear them a lot, so that's why they're dirty. And at first look, you might be thinking, those don't match. They don't. But with the outfit in between, trust me, it's a good look. The royal blue works with the other blues inside the shoe. It's all good as long as you keep the outfit in between fire as well. So these are some of my recent Hat Club pickups. I do have a package that came yesterday, and I have a package that came today that I just went downstairs and picked up. So be on the lookout for a new Hat Club video very, very soon. Make sure you show this video some love, and I'll put out that video even faster. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one. I think all the hats in the collection were fire. If you like colors, this was definitely the collection for you, and I feel like that's going to be a trend moving forward with fitted caps. You know, more bright colors, the different color UVs is definitely going to continue to be a thing and get even bigger. And I think that because, you know, your traditional, your gray bottom, your green bottom, your black nasties, as well as your traditional navy blue hats, your red hats occasionally, and your black hats, those are just kind of tried and true. So to add something fresh to the mix, some bright colors that you don't really see often, it just kind of brings a new look, a new perspective to what fitted caps traditionally are.